Tired of feeling sluggish? Do you find yourself constantly battling fatigue, no matter how much sleep you get? It's time to shake things up and reclaim your energy. Want to fit back into those jeans? Remember how confident you felt in your favorite pair? Let's make that a reality again. Say goodbye to boring workouts and hello to HIIT, your secret weapon for torching fat and feeling amazing. Imagine a workout that not only burns calories but also keeps you engaged and motivated. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is about to become your new best friend. It's a dynamic and powerful way to get fit, combining short bursts of intense exercise with periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. Get ready to unleash your inner athlete and transform your body one explosive workout at a time. With HIIT, you'll push your limits and discover strength you never knew you had. We're going to break down everything you need to know about HIIT, from the science behind it to practical tips for beginners. You'll learn how to maximize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals faster. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just starting your journey, HIIT can be adapted to any level. It's versatile and can be tailored to meet your specific needs and fitness level. Get ready to sweat, feel the burn, and watch those pounds melt away. Embrace the challenge, and you'll be amazed at the results. Your journey to a fitter, healthier you starts now. Let's do this together. So what exactly is HIIT? Imagine this. You're sprinting as fast as you can, heart pounding, muscles working overtime. Then you catch your breath with a short rest period. Repeat. That's HIIT in a nutshell. It's all about short bursts of intense exercise alternated with brief recovery periods. This powerful combo jumpstarts your metabolism and keeps your body burning calories long after you've finished your workout. Say goodbye to hours on the treadmill. HIIT workouts are efficient and effective, letting you achieve maximum results in minimal time. Why is HIIT so effective for fat loss? Let's get scientific for a moment. During those intense intervals, you create an oxygen deficit in your body. This means your body has to work extra hard to recover, even after you've finished exercising. This phenomenon, called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, is where the magic happens. Your metabolism gets a serious boost as your body plays catch-up, burning calories and torching fat for hours, even while you're resting. It's like having a fat-burning furnace working overtime. The benefits of HIIT go beyond just shedding those extra pounds. This incredible workout method offers a whole range of advantages for your body and mind. Get ready to experience a surge in your energy levels, watch your endurance skyrocket, and feel your heart get stronger with every workout. But it doesn't stop there. HIIT can also help regulate your blood sugar levels, improve your insulin sensitivity, and even boost your brain power. It's a true mind-body transformation that will leave you feeling confident, empowered, and ready to conquer anything. Tickety 5. Your HIIT journey begins now. Welcome to the start of an exhilarating fitness adventure that will transform your body and mind. Ready to unleash your inner HIIT star? High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is designed to push your limits and maximize your results in a short amount of time. Fantastic! Let's get you started with a simple, effective routine you can do anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even in a small apartment, this workout fits perfectly into your lifestyle. No fancy equipment needed, just your body weight and a can-do attitude. This means you can start right away without any barriers. All you need is a little space and a lot of determination. Remember, consistency is key, so start with 2 to 3 sessions per week and gradually increase as you get stronger. Track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Each session brings you one step closer to your fitness goals. Warm up with 5 minutes of light cardio like jogging in place or jumping jacks. This prepares your muscles and gets your heart rate up, setting the stage for an effective workout. Then perform each exercise for 30 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. This interval structure keeps your heart rate elevated and maximizes calorie burn. Complete 2 to 3 rounds of the entire circuit. As you progress, you can add more rounds or increase the intensity of each exercise to continue challenging your body. Cool down with 5 minutes of stretching. This helps to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility, aiding in recovery and preparing you for your next session. Enjoy the journey and embrace the transformation. Section 6. HIIT It Hard but Smart. While HIIT is a highly effective way to transform your body, it's important to approach it with the right mindset and technique. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can push your limits and deliver impressive results, but only if done correctly. Remember, safety and proper form come first. Incorrect form can lead to injuries that may set you back for weeks or even months. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to modify exercises if needed. Everyone's fitness level is different, and it's crucial to adapt the workout to your own capabilities. It's always better to start slow and gradually increase the intensity over time. This approach not only helps in building endurance, but also ensures that your body adapts to the increasing demands without undue stress. Focus on quality over quantity. Performing fewer reps with perfect form is far more beneficial than doing more reps with poor technique. Instead of rushing through the movements, concentrate on performing each exercise with control and precision. This not only maximizes the effectiveness of the workout, but also minimizes the risk of injury. Engage your core, maintain good posture, and avoid any jerky or uncontrolled motions. A strong core is the foundation of most exercises and helps in maintaining balance and stability. And most importantly, breathe. Consistent, deep breaths will fuel your muscles and enhance your performance. Proper breathing techniques can also help in maintaining focus and reducing fatigue during intense workouts. Don't forget to cool down after your HIIT session. Stretching and cooling down help in reducing muscle soreness and aid in recovery. This is a crucial step that should never be skipped. Hydration is key. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout to keep your body well hydrated and functioning optimally. Finally, track your progress. Keeping a record of your workouts can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, the goal is to hit it hard, but smart. With the right approach, you can achieve your fitness goals safely and effectively. Section 7. Gear up and get moving. Now that you've got the basics down, let's talk about how to make your HIIT workouts even more enjoyable and effective. First up, gear. While you don't need a lot of fancy equipment, investing in a supportive pair of athletic shoes can make a world of difference. Next, music. Create an upbeat playlist that gets you pumped up and motivated. Music can be a powerful tool to push you through those challenging intervals. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle handy and sip on water before, during, and after your workout. Section 8. Finding your HIIT tribe. Working out with others can make all the difference in staying motivated and accountable. Find a workout buddy, join a group fitness class, or explore online HIIT communities. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide support, encouragement, and a healthy dose of competition. Plus, it's just more fun. Having someone to share the sweat, the burn, and the victories with can make your fitness journey even more rewarding. So grab a friend, join the party, and experience the power of working out together. Section 9. Hitting a plateau. Don't quit. It's normal to experience plateaus in your fitness journey. If you've been doing the same HIIT routine for a while, your body may have adapted, leading to slower progress. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to break through those plateaus and keep those results coming. One effective strategy is to incorporate variety into your workouts. Try different exercises, change the duration of your intervals, or experiment with new equipment like resistance bands or kettlebells. You can also increase the intensity by adding weights, increasing your speed, or challenging yourself with more advanced exercises. Section 10. Listen to your body, amplify results. While it's important to push yourself during HIIT workouts, it's equally crucial to listen to your body and prioritize rest and recovery. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort, and don't be afraid to take breaks or modify exercises as needed. Incorporate rest days into your weekly routine to allow your muscles time to repair and rebuild. Proper nutrition and adequate sleep are also vital for optimal recovery and performance. Remember, consistency and sustainability are key to long-term success. Section 11. Unleash your inner athlete with HIIT. Congratulations on embarking on your HIIT journey. You've taken the first step towards a healthier, fitter, and more energized you. Remember, consistency is key, so make HIIT a regular part of your routine and watch as you transform your body and mind. Embrace the challenge, push your limits, and celebrate every victory along the way. You've got this. Now go out there, unleash your inner athlete, and experience the incredible transformative power of HIIT.